Smart settings. Now we have reached the sixth step of setting smart. As we saw at the beginning of this video, smart is the real report of your hard drive. But do you know that sometimes a hard drive tries to hide its problem from us? The settings in this tab decide how and from where the software will read that report. Let me explain some hidden secrets of this tab. At the top, you will see two options already clicked. These are for automations. It simply means that as soon as you open Victoria and select a drive, you don't need to press the Get Smart button again and again. The software will automatically fetch the report and logs in the background and display them on the screen. This saves a lot of your time. Now comes the most powerful and game-changing feature of this page. It is marked as a new in the red color, this option. Here the software is asking from where should it decide the final health status, good or bad. You have two options. These are: first one is reported by the drive itself. If you select this option, the software will simply ask the drive, how are you, and whether the drive reports. Even if it's holding issues, the software will accept it. Second one is drive analyzed by Victoria. Always select this option. This means Victoria will not blindly trust the drive. It will extract the raw data, apply its own algorithm, Victoria's algorithm, and then determine whether the drive is truly good or bad, or already falling internally. Now let's look the middle setting. Sleep raw on separate numbers. This is very useful. In a smart table, the raw data, that is actual values, often appear in large and confusing hexadecimal codes. By enabling these options, the software breaks the big code into a smaller human readable numbers. That means hexa to decimal. Then next option is always try IBM Super Smart, and next option is save .bin to file. Both of these options mainly for data recovery professionals, so they can save the report into a file. Get NVMe namespace smart, this option. It is not recommended. If you have a latest NVMe or SSD, be careful, it truly says not recommended. So don't enable this, otherwise your NVMe or SSD may hang or software may crash. Finally, at the bottom is kept smart database. If you are serious about your hard drive, keep this enabled. This allows the software to continuously save the history of your drive on your computer. The timing tell written below means the software will save new report every 12 hours. This helps you track over time to time your hard drive's health is dragging, that is how much life is left. In short, just make sure that drive analyzed by Victoria is selected, so no smart hard drive can hide its problem from you. If your important data has been accidentally deleted, or your hard disk, pen drive, memory card or SSD is not working, then there is no need to worry anymore. In Nanded, we provide professional data recovery services where your lost data is safely removed using advanced tool and technology. Along with, we also offers data recovery training where you will receive complete knowledge from basic to advanced level along with practical training. Our course includes hard disk, SSD, pen drive and memory card data recovery along with real case practices. You can take this training both offline in Nanded or online from home. If you want to build a career in the IT field, improve your skills or start your own data recovery business, then this course is perfect for you. For more information or services, contact us.